Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever watched your pet twitching, whimpering, or even running in their sleep and wondered, what on earth are they dreaming about? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. Do animals have rich, complex dream lives like we do? Or is it all just random muscle spasms? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're diving deep into the mysterious, fascinating, and sometimes hilarious world of animal dreams. And trust me, you won't believe what science has uncovered. So, do animals actually dream? The short answer is a resounding yes. For a long time, scientists were skeptical. But modern research has shown that many animals, especially mammals and birds, experience a sleep stage very similar to our own REM or rapid eye movement sleep. This is the stage where most of our vivid dreaming happens. By monitoring their brain activity, researchers have found that animals' brains light up during REM sleep in patterns that are strikingly similar to ours. So, it's not just your imagination. When your dog's paws are paddling in his sleep, he's very likely chasing a squirrel in dreamland. Let's start with our most common companions, dogs. What do our furry best friends dream about? A Harvard study suggests that dogs likely dream about their everyday experiences. Think about it. Their world revolves around us, their favorite toys, and that pesky squirrel in the backyard. So, when your dog is sleeping, their brain is likely replaying and processing the day's events. They could be dreaming of a fantastic game of fetch, a delicious treat you gave them, or even just the comforting smell of their favorite human. That's right. They're probably dreaming about you. Next time you see your dog wagging its tail in its sleep, you can be pretty sure it's having a happy dream, filled with all the things it loves most. But what about cats? Our feline friends are famous for their love of naps, sleeping up to 16 hours a day. That's a lot of time for dreaming. A famous study from the 1960s gave us a huge clue. Researchers found that when they disabled the part of a cat's brain that paralyzes muscles during sleep, the cats started acting out their dreams. And what did they do? They stalked, they pounced, they arched their backs as if facing a foe. Essentially, they were hunting in their sleep. This suggests that cats dream about their primal instincts. They're dreaming of being the sleek, skilled predators they are, chasing after imaginary mice and birds. So, when your kitty's whiskers twitch and its ears perk up during a nap, it's probably on a grand, silent hunt in its dream world. Now let's venture beyond our homes and into the wider animal kingdom. What about birds? You might be surprised to learn that birds dream too, and their dreams are incredibly specific. Zebra finches, for example, have been studied extensively. Scientists found that during sleep, the part of their brain responsible for song production lights up in the exact same patterns as when they are awake and singing. It's like they are practicing their songs in their sleep. This is crucial for young birds learning their unique family song and for adult birds to maintain their complex melodies. They are literally rehearsing their vocal skills in their dreams. It's like a musician dreaming of a new melody or a public speaker practicing their speech overnight. It shows that dreams can be a vital tool for learning and memory consolidation, not just for humans, but for our feathered friends too. And the story gets even more interesting when we look at aquatic mammals. Think about dolphins. How do they sleep, let alone dream, without drowning? They've evolved an incredible ability called unihemispheric sleep. This means they can shut down one half of their brain at a time while the other half stays awake and alert. This allows them to continue swimming, surfacing for air, and watching for predators even while they are technically sleeping. So, do they dream with just half a brain? It's a complex question scientists are still exploring. It's possible they have a different kind of dream experience, perhaps less immersive than ours, but the electrical signatures of REM sleep have been observed, suggesting some form of dreaming is happening in that one resting hemisphere. It's a fascinating puzzle that highlights the incredible adaptability of life. Let's go even smaller. What about rats? You might not think of a rat as a complex dreamer, but prepare to be amazed. In a groundbreaking experiment at MIT, scientists had rats run through a maze for a food reward while recording their brain activity. Specifically, they monitored the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. They found a unique pattern of brain cell firing as the rats navigated the maze. Later, when the rats were in REM sleep, the researchers observed the exact same brain activity pattern, only sped up. The rats were literally rerunning the maze in their minds, consolidating the memory of the route. This was one of the first times we could say with certainty what an animal was dreaming about. They weren't just dreaming of cheese, they were dreaming of the entire journey to get the cheese. This reinforces the idea that dreams are a fundamental part of how the brain learns and remembers. The evidence is clear. The animal kingdom is filled with dreamers. From the dog chasing a ball to the cat hunting a mouse and the bird practicing its song, dreams seem to play a crucial role in their lives. They help them process their day, practice essential skills, and solidify memories. It's a beautiful reminder that the inner lives of animals are far richer and more complex than we might assume. They experience joy, fear, and learning, and their brains work through these things during sleep, just like ours do. So what does this all mean for us, the animal lovers? It deepens our connection to them. Knowing that your pet has a rich inner world filled with dreams about their life with you can make that bond even more special. It encourages us to provide them with happy, positive experiences, because those experiences might just become the material for their sweet dreams. When you play with your dog, cuddle your cat, or even just talk to your pet bird, you are giving them happy memories that they can relive in their sleep. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? That as we drift off to our own dreams, our animal companions are right there with us, exploring their own dreamscapes. Their brains are busy processing, learning, and remembering, ensuring they are ready for another day of adventure when they wake up. The world of animal dreams is a frontier we are just beginning to explore, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the incredible creatures we share this planet with. So next time you see a sleeping animal, take a moment to watch and wonder. What adventures are they on? What stories are their minds telling? It's a little piece of magic happening right in front of us every single day. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the dreaming minds of animals. It's truly incredible what's happening when their eyes are closed. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the amazing world of animals. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Tell me about your pet's weirdest sleeping habits. What do you think they dream about? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.